Hey guys, we're gonna start from the weekly time frame. These are Australian US dollar. So basically, you can see price is at this level here. So I'm expecting price to take out this buy side liquidity here and get to this level of our order block here, and we get to see a decline in price. But also, we need to keep in mind from where price is coming from. We get to see that we have an order block at this level here. So we might see a pullback price getting to this level here, retrace a little bit, get to this level, and then we get to see price continue to go up. But if you look on a daily time frame, you get to see that things become clear now. As you can see, this high is now visible, so you get to see this is the high that we expect liquidity to be taken out, and price get to this level here. And if you look at this level here of our weekly order block, it gets to line up with our daily order block. And if you look at here from this week here and from this week here, you get to see that we have a fair value gap that needs to be closed. And beside the fair value gap, if you look at here, you can see that we have this explosive move going down here. Price didn't trade much at this area here, so we get to see that we have liquidity void that needs to be closed. So if price retrace now, we get to see that we have this level here that we have as our order block at this level here. So if price can retrace to this level here, we can find the re-entry, targeting price to continue to go up. So that's it for this video.